Hey everyone, I'm really thrilled to share something amazing with you today. If you're a fan of The Sims 4 like I am, you're going to love this. In today's video, I'll be walking you through how I was able to get The Sims 4 running smoothly on my iOS devices. I know it sounds almost too good to be true, but it works perfectly, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. Now I don't want to waste any time, so let's jump right in. I'm going to open up the game so you can see for yourself just how well it runs. As you can see, the gameplay is just as smooth and seamless as it is on the PC version. It's really impressive considering we're talking about a mobile device here. The secret to making this work lies in cloud-based technology. This technology allows the game to run on powerful servers, meaning that it's not actually running directly on your phone. That's why even older devices, like my iPhone, can handle it with ease. The best part? This doesn't just work for iOS devices, it's compatible with Android devices as well. So no matter what kind of phone you have, you can get in on the action. So whether you're on an iPhone or an Android, stick around because I'm going to show you how to bring The Sims 4 to your mobile device. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's get started with the tutorial. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that Background App Refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called rocketmods.com. Rocketmods is a website where you can find many apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for The Sims 4 Mobile and click on it. Here you will see some information about the app. To start the download, click on the green button and wait some time for the installation to finish. However, there is one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step may vary depending on your device model and operating system, and usually involves some pretty simple steps. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a video tutorial on how to complete it. Just follow the instructions and you should be fine. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.